Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. I am Charu. So, I've been feeling a bit cranky lately, and my husband and I were thinking what to do about it. So, my husband suggested that we go out for shopping, and retail therapy works best for me in such cases. So, we did go out shopping and we did buy a few things, including electronic items, and I was really excited to share it with you guys. I hope you like them as much as I do. So, enjoy! So before going to the shopping mall, we stopped by at a park to have some tea. It had been a while that we had not gone to a park together, so now was the time. So we reached the mall now and we started with the electronics section. I did check out a few electronic items and I'll show you later what did I buy from here. And guys, do you know that we're not allowed to shoot or take pictures here in this mall? But we did sneak in and did take some shots for you guys. You know, Eid is coming up, so we have to buy some gifts for our friends as well. So we thought while we're checking it out, why not show it to you as well? I'm totally disoriented. I don't know what will I be buying for myself because it's like a sudden plan. We didn't plan out what to buy and what not. So just wait and watch to see what I actually bought from here today. So guys, we're back home and I'm so happy and excited that my husband bought me this Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I just can't wait to unbox it for you guys. So this is a midnight black shade and it has 64 GB internal memory and it has a 4 GB RAM as well. So we see some specifications at the back which gives us a brief idea about what this S8 Plus is about. So it has a 6.2-inch AMOLED screen, it's water and dust resistant, it has iris scanner plus it's NOx protected and the earphones are tuned by AKG. So let me just open this box for you and I'm myself so excited to get my hands on the real product. Wow! It looks beautiful, doesn't it? And look at the size and the screen of this phone, guys. It has a big screen, which means I don't have to keep scrolling the page every time I see my Facebook or any other page. It's a neat trick and useful for us too, right? You're getting an all-screen phone or what Samsung calls its infinity display that gives you more screen real estate without significantly increasing the size of the device. This phone has a 12 megapixel rear camera and the front camera is 8 megapixel. So this is the charger which says adaptive fast charging. And then this is the cord which will be connected to the charger. Here are the earphones that have been tuned by AKG. They sound great. This is the USB connector. Besides this, there was also a micro USB connector. So I really like this phone and I think there's a lot to be explored. What do you think about it? So guys, I got a 128 GB memory card free with this phone and this is the adapter chip that you are seeing. Along with that, we got this wireless headset. and it has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, and it offers a full 8 hours of talk time and 200 hours of standby time on a single charge. And then there's this smart power bank which can be used to charge your cell phone or digital camera. Coming on to clothes, we bought this multicolor polycrepe abstract print western wear top. I just love the colors in it. See, the lime green, the grey, white and black, they blend in so well together. Then there's this red cotton top which has decent ethnic work at the front and on the shoulders, extending up to the sleeves. It looks like a balloon top and has 3/4 sleeves. Then I bought this cute little bag which has shades of grey, dark grey and light grey. It looked very subtle to me and it is a sling bag. I've been in love with sling bags for a while now and I just like this one. So I think these are enough things to lift up my mood. I hope you also liked it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. If you're already my subscriber, click on the bell button, guys. Stay happy, stay blessed and keep smiling.
Find you.